All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So meltdown, 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 to break something in a really bad way. She had a meltdown last night. Yeah, like angry. There we are. Yeah, there we are. Angry. She had a meltdown. Yeah. Yep. Very good. I won't have a meltdown. Yeah. It melted down and broke. There we are. Broke the whole ground. Yeah. She had a meltdown last night. Yeah. She often has meltdowns. He is having a meltdown now. Yeah. Why? But why is he having a meltdown now? Yeah, we don't understand. Yeah. Eventually, he will have another meltdown. Yes. The chances are high that he will have another meltdown. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, meltdown, break something in a really bad way. Yeah. Now, can you use meltdown in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.